When he was leaving Boston, of course, I was somewhat naturally attached to him and felt the loss of his going. And then he said to me, and I'm so happy he did say it because it stood me well later in life. He said, "Never mind what happens to me. That light which you see and that love which you feel in your heart is far greater than I am. That's God himself." And later when he did pass away, at first there was a great emptiness, naturally. But then I remembered those words. And with that memory, through his grace, came a sustaining power, whereby I was then and have been ever since able to realize that he is not away, but the omniscience of God is with each and every one of us whenever we will, through right meditation and devotion and love of the one Father, elevate our consciousness into his presence.